Don't suffer in the cold this winter. Your home tip for today is to have your HVAC, your heating, ventilation, and AC serviced as soon as possible. We are approaching the winter months. I know we're just in the fall right now, but now is a good opportunity to test your HVAC. Have a tech come by and do a full service, run all the diagnostics that is needed on your HVAC system before you're going to need your furnace in the wintertime. Unfortunately, a lot of people don't do this, and that's why you'll see like later on in the winter, you try to call somebody to replace your furnace. They're going to be busy, might take days for them to get out there because people haven't checked the diagnostics of their HVAC system and they didn't do the repairs needed in order to stay warm in the winter. It's also a good opportunity to ask the tech, like, how long do you think this furnace is going to last? Am I going to make it through the winter? What can we do? If not, like, should we replace it now? You might get a discount if you need to replace your furnace now. So anyway, this is just a reminder to please check your furnace and your AC unit, the whole unit, as soon as possible before we get into the winter months.